Hello people, hope you are doing good. You are staying at home by taking all the precautions. So as you all know from the heading and captions, today my video is on night care cream that will give you instant brightness on your face, and it will give you glow also. Now I have not applied anything on my skin. I'll apply that and you can feel the instant difference after applying that night care cream. So I'll show you entire process, how to make it and all the homemade things we will be using, all the kitchen things. We'll be using kasturi haldi. Yeah, one important thing, that haldi, turmeric, whatever we are using kitchen, that is not good for skin. It will not give you that brightness on your skin. Try to use kasturi haldi, or else that red haldi is coming, no, you can order it from Big Basket also. That link I'll provide you in the description. So just try it for some 15 days and you can just mix it, and that will be very good for your skin. Trust me, I use that only. Or else I'll just give you in the description box some of the links which brands kasturi haldi is better for your skin, so you can try that as well. I mentioned this as a night care cream. It's not like you can apply it only on nights or something. You can apply it in daytime also, but the only thing you need to take care is to don't go to outside after applying this, because the turmeric, no, it will give you the bad effect if you are applying turmeric and you are going outside. So just take care of that. Okay, then we'll just start the video, and let me tell you one more thing. Whatever suggestions you have given me, thank you so much for that. I'm overwhelmed with your love and responses, whatever I'm getting from you people. And yes, I'll just provide you that Instagram. I have created now one public account that also you can follow, that I'll mention in the description box, that link. That is Looks and Cooks. I hope you like the name, but credit doesn't go to me. Some of my friends have suggested me. Here I have soaked some almonds and pistas overnight. Now we'll just remove the peel of the almonds and pistas. Maybe some 6 to 7 almonds I have taken, and same amount of pistas also. It looks like this after peeling. I have soaked it overnight because it will be easy to remove the peels, and whenever you are removing the peels, just take care. Slowly remove it, or else if it will insert into your nails, it will give you pain. So just do it carefully. Now I have just removed the outer layer of the pista also, and it looks like this. Now we'll just mix it with the help of the mixture grinder. You can see the small particles how I have mixed. It is a very good scrub actually. And now we'll use kasturi haldi. It's very nice for your skin. Now we'll just use lemon peels. If you want, instead of lemon peels, you can use vitamin C also. The tablet you can get anywhere in the medical shop, but it's better to use lemon peels only. Natural vitamin C. Just collect. I'll show you how I have collected. I'm just grating it with the help of this grater. Now it looks like this. Now in the previous mixture of the pistas and almonds, we'll use half tablespoon of kasturi haldi. Do not add that kitchen haldi, whatever you are using. Now I'll be adding that lemon juice. Half I have taken. Now I'll be adding the lemon peels, whatever we have grated earlier, and we'll use maybe 4 tablespoons of curd. If you are having oily skin, do not add more curd, just use 1 tablespoon. And to maintain the consistency, add rose water, vitamin E capsule this is. If you want, you can add. I have skipped glycerin also. If you want, you can add, and give a nice mix. Now it looks like this. Now we'll just store this in a container. It will be perfect creamy look. Just store it in refrigerator. So as you can see, the cream is ready. Now the massaging is very important in this. because we have added almond and pista to it. So the small particles, it will give you very nice massage. You can feel it. As you can see, it is completely absorbed into my skin. Now after some time I'll just wash this because I'm making the video, but you please don't wash this immediately. At least keep it for 3 to 4 hours on your skin, and if you are leaving overnight on your skin, that is very better for your skin. It will give you instant brightness. Please do try this. Minimum 3 to 4 weeks you have to try. You know very well that in one day is not sufficient to get that brighter skin tone, or you cannot get the glowing skin in just one day. And whatever skin tone you have, just be confident about your skin tone to try this at home, and you will notice the difference immediately. Don't worry about your skin tone repeatedly, like dark or fair, whatever skin tone you have, please do try this. Please take care of your skin. It is effective for both guys and girls. If you are having dry skin, then also you can try this. If you are having oily skin, then also you can try this. And trust me, it gives natural color to your skin. That glow you can feel in just trying after 3 weeks or maximum 4 weeks. So please do try this. And yes, as I already mentioned in the caption, the oily skin people do not add more curd to it. Maybe 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon you can add, and you can add rose water to maintain the consistency. And for dry skin people, they can add 4 tablespoons as I have already shown. It will moisturize your skin, and the vitamin C, it will help you to give glow to your skin. And almond and pista, it is very effective to maintain your skin tone. It will help you to remove that black spots on your skin. If you are having any pimple marks also, it will help you. Sorry guys, I'm making this video here because I don't have a current in my house, so please do adjust for one day. You can see the particles also on my skin. If you want, you can wash this, otherwise it's fine, as I already told. So as I already told, just because I'm making the video, I need to show you people. I have washed this just after keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can notice the glow on my skin. So please do keep it for 2 to 3 hours, and you will notice the instant difference on your skin. I came to outside also just to show you my skin. You can see how clean it looks, how bright it looks. Please ignore the dark circles. I don't know why I'm getting it. I'm not doing anything. I hope you like the video. This is the entire process of night care cream. Since we are using almond and pista, it will give nutrition to your skin, and vitamin C also we are using because of the lemon, so that will give you very nice result. If you want vitamin E capsule, you can add in that, and almond oil. If your skin is very oily, you can skip that, or else you can add little almond oil also. And if you want, you can skip that also. You can store it for 8 days or 10 days. As I have already told, you have to store it in the fridge. Outside it won't be good, I think. So in my previous video, I have asked you all for suggestions that cooking videos I need to upload it in some other channel or to the same channel. But as majority suggested me, I should continue with the same channel, because after some time, if you choose only one content in one channel, so after some time you will be running out of content. So I also feel that is better. If you have not given your suggestions, please let me know in WhatsApp or in Insta or in the comment box also. You can just let me know whatever you think, what will be better. Okay, then we'll meet in the next video. Maybe the next video content will be my daily skincare routine, what whatever I do daily for my skin, for my teeth, for my hairs, that all the things I'll share with you. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye. Love you all.